is racer number 394, 105 and P105.
Go Patch!
And here comes the
Racer number T168 approaching the finish line.
24/7. Here comes.
Two female runners side by side. Racers F55 and F73. We are Miss Michelle Santiago
Congratulations, Ejigo.
and Miss Rowena Roca.
3168, Coleman Wong,
From the Yelling Hat Tri-Team, racer number 364 approaching the finish line.
105. Two women, F73, F65, Miss Rowena Roca and Miss
Racer
Michelle
number
Santiago.
332 approaching the finish line from the Fitness First Tri-Team.
364, crossing the finish line now, that's 364. 364, that's
From Team Ensure,
Joshua
racer
Seguso.
number 301.
Team Peters first.
That's Mr. Sina Polinario.
105, Anton Sibayan, congratulations. Nawala ng energy yung Team Barley. Ang dami nila kanina, natunaw sa init ang mga
Here comes
Team
racer number T169.
Team Endure, number 301, about to cross the finish line. That's 301 for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Racer number V113 about to finish
Last na!
this
Finish
race.
line na!
Lane Hidalgo from the starting line.
From Team Psychos,
Team
racer number
starting line.
T114.
Congratulations, you have a built-in fans.
That's Albert Imperial.
Great effort by Mr. Hidalgo. The daughter is here, and the daughter is wildly cheering the dad. There you go. Another team from Team
Racer
Cyclos.
number T52 sprinting to the finish line. And from Team Herbalife, Mr. Freddy Ravalo.
3114. That's
Racer numbers T156 and T165 approaching the finish line.
352, great effort by Jeffrey Pineda. Team Herbalife, that's Dr.
Racer 310
Edrickson Ravalo.
approaching the finish line.
Dr. Edrickson Ravalo,
Go
congratulations.
James! Yay!
Member from Team 24/7.
About to finish the race is Racer T125.
310, closing into the finish. Number 310. That's Kalunsot, Richard Martin Kalunsot. Race with number 216.
About to finish the race is Racer 4110 and P113.
120 more athletes in the field. 120 more in the field. For 20 about it is completed.
Yes, NCM!
4110. Walking to the finish.
From the Green Hills Tri-Team, racer number 348.
Arturo
About
Pirata.
to finish the
Arturo
race.
Pirata.
And from Team Davao, racer number 608.
Team Herbalife, oh, that is Team Green Hills. Team Green Hills. Closing into the finish. Wow, great effort. Number 348.
Racer number F16,
Jebalong,
Dating Ginoo.
Go James!
Racer 2622, about to finish this race.
4110, Okay, so for 430 athletes has completed the race, 430 athletes completed the race, 120 more to go. 120 more to go. Awarding starts in a few minutes. Awarding at Travelers Hotel.
Racer number 382 approaching the finish line.
Ang haba ng bata.
Team 24-7.
And racer number 362.
24-7, race team number
TMI. Approaching the finish
382.
line. Coming in close is racer
That's team
number
number
359.
382. Here he comes. Great effort by, congratulations to Pocholo Ballesteros. There he goes, just crossing the finish line. And here comes number 362. Poch Santos, a few meters from the finish line. Congratulations, Poch, from Team Triumph PLI. Congratulations, Poch. And number 359.
Team Armenia
359, Rex Rocha. Rex Rocha, congratulations. Again, the official winners. The women is Monica Torres, Sandra Royo Gonzalez, Doroy Cortez Ellis, and Kim Kilco, as well as Camila Brooks. Okay, the last guy who just crossed the finish line is no other than Mr. Jose Maria Paulo Valdez. Mr. Valdez, congratulations. I wonder if my friend Milan Tabalan has crossed the finish line. Milan said it's his birthday today. Congratulations and happy birthday to Milan Tabalan.
Here comes racer number 342. It's Mr. Carlo Magliari and racer number 361 also coming to the finish line.
Carlo
Racer number
Magliari, a few meters
344,
from the
Mr.
finish line.
Norberto Manzano.
Carlo Magliari.
Racer 515. It's Mr. Peter Makela approaching the finish line. Racer 564 also approaching the finish line.
361. 361, very close to the finish.
Miss Katrina
Quito,
Tacuto,
San
racer
Agustin,
number
Quito, San Agustin,
57,
congratulations.
about to finish
Number
the
515. Number 515. Crossing the finish line right now. There he is, that's Peter Makera, congratulations. And F.
Huwag ka na mangarap. Napakaagaw mo siya.
All the finishers are entitled to a cold shower, massage, you get a t-shirt, you get a towel from K-Swiss, you can dip in the ice pool. There's a very cool beast from our new investor.
racer number 355 approaching the finish line, Mr. Michael Conrad Kicho.
Michael, congratulations, you're very, very close to the finish. Just about 40 meters to the finish. And you're done for today. Till next race, congratulations, number 355 Michael. Number 355 Michael Conrad Kicho. There he goes. Katrabe, paging Katrabe, can you bring some Gatorade over here, over? Gatorade for Mark and Mon, please, over.
$50 meters away from the finish line is racer number 363, Mr. Reginald Santos.
Reginald Santos, correction Glenn, that's 75 meters from the corner. 75 meters, corner to finish line.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So here comes racer number 372 and F36.
F36.
Is racer number 370.
F36 approaching the finish line. That's no other than Ida Maghanoy, not too far from the finish. Before her is number 372. There you are, the Rafi Zapata. Rafi na si Rafi. Congratulations.
Racer number
And your good friend,
314.
number 317. 3170. Sherwin Yao. Sherwin, congratulations to you. From the Yao family of Green Hills Running Club, original running club, now a track club. 3144. Just cross the finish line as well. 3144 is no other than Juan Paulo Reyes. And in black, 3131. Wow, this should feel very hot.
About to finish the race, it is Razor number 377.
Marlon,
Mr.
that will be
Luigi
very hot,
Gonzaga.
punishing hot for you, but nevertheless a finish. Kissing the ground and up goes to the recovery area. 377, 40 meters to the finish line. Actually, 25 meters to the finish line. 277, there you go, that's Richie Amansek. Richie Amansek, congratulations to you.
Here comes Racer number 3147, Mr. Robert Rivera. And Racer number 3130.
Mr. Rivera approaching the finish line.
Mojica.
3147.
Racer number 103, also
Number 3147. 3147, there you are. That's Roberto Jonah Rivera. Rivera, that's Robert Rivera. 3147 and 3130. 3130 is
Racer number 401.
103, congratulations. Milo Mendoza.
Mendoza.
Or Milo Mendoza. Meron kayong libreng Gatorade, tubig, tuwalya, t-shirt, masahe, shower. Mamaya meron